Today I want to say something about lights that people can use going for a ride. It's end of October, so the days are way shorter and it's darker outside, so it's good to have lights for your own safety. There are two types of lights: the rear lights, mostly red ones, and standard white lights for the front. There are two different types of the front lights. The first type is the light to be seen. How is it called? To just give, for example, car drivers an idea that you are on the road. And the second type of the light is a standard light to see something when it's really dark. I will start with the rear one. This is a small, very simple and very light backlight. This one is a battery operated one, and for this light I can use USB charging to just charge the battery inside as many times as I want to. The other type has standard batteries, and the batteries have to be replaced always when they go empty. So in this case I would recommend today to buy a light that is USB charged. This is just a simple light that has some options for some modes, different ones depending on what you prefer. Pretty easy and simple the way how it works. And the second light is the simple front light to be seen. So it has two LEDs and it's a battery operated in this case. So this is a very small light made from plastic. So there are two LEDs inside and this light gives you the opportunity to be seen on the road. Pretty good option for every type of riding, even if it's a daylight, because as all the research says, if you have this light, even if it's a very simple and small one, it's better for you because people can see you, even if it's a full daylight. And the third light is the front light as well. It's called a trail light. It's mostly used by the off-road riders. It has two LEDs and way bigger batteries inside. It's USB charged as well as the rear red one, but it's way stronger, offers some different modes and way more lumens, and this light will give you a good opportunity to see what is in front of you. This light is normally recommended to be used by when off-road riding, but if you use it right way, you can use it even on the road. Remember about the correct angle, to just go down with the light, to just protect the people in front of you, that they can see you, because if you put it that way, of course it goes more or less, the light float goes flat and it's not safe for the people that are in front of you. This is the third option from this set that I would recommend to buy, especially if you go in the areas, if you ride in the areas when it's really dark. More or less, this set is pretty cheap. I would say it starts from £10. The more expensive light, like this one, costs maybe 20. Today, this light, even if it's not so expensive, offers enough performance in almost every situation.